Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how you can install the fiber optic for the G737P. Normally you get receive a longer fiber optic, and then you can cut it according to the size of the person you are going to install on it. This size is exactly the size for me if you look at this. So I'm going to now install this clip. Other side are already installed, so I want to show you that how you can install this clip on the other side. Before you install, you need to make sure that the light is passing through the fiber optic. If you look at that very clearly, if you block the light from the other side, the fiber optic is showing the light and diminishing it. So now this clip you are going to install, you need to make sure that you press it inside completely so that it can be installed correctly. Now we have 4 screws with it. Just tighten it up. After you install all these 4 screws, okay, they are installed now. So now we have a device here. You can see this device is already on, and from one side the light is blinking, which shows that which will complete a circle between the two sides. At one side is a sender, the other side is a receiver. So it normally can install easily, like this side. You see, you can feel the clip. And now if we look at, okay, I installed the actually center side. So you connect this side, and on this side you can see the light is coming through. So make sure that the light is coming through. If the light is coming through, this means that your fiber optic is good enough. And on the other side, you just put it here. So now the connection is completed. The device is going to test the fiber optic is okay. The fiber optic normally, if you are under the sunshine, might be possible that it cannot be transmit from one side to another because too much light. So we provided you these stickers, 2 stickers. So what you have to do, you have to peel one of the sticker, and you need to paste it on this side. This side are the screws, but on the other side of it, to protect it from the sunlight. Make sure that it is pasted correctly here and on the other side as well. Okay, as you can see, now these are pasted here. Now we are going to insert this again in, and you must make sure that it is snapped correctly and it is clipped, and on the other side as well. So now you will not have any issue or any false alarms due to the sunlight or anything. Thank you for your attention, man.